This is Main Art. Thanks for checking out my video. Today I'm going to go in and start adding some details with pastel and charcoal to this piece. Interesting piece, but just gonna start here and see where it takes us. I'm just using that white, which is a strong color. Let's see if we can almost shape in something here, make it really cool looking. I've been doing a lot of different things here with pastel and charcoal, so that's been my go-to. Um, so you can find more videos about that, some different things. So it's always, it's important to just try to stay creative and come up with some different cool looks, colors. So I'm gonna just get in here and see where this will take us. Just kind of just molding in, just getting a slight shape here. See if we can get a face in there. Might be a cool look. And this is just gonna kind of take its own direction. We'll see what we can do. Just gonna use some blending, get that charcoal in there. So you can see we're starting to shape out this interesting looking character. See where we can expand it from there. You could almost kind of come in here and it's be almost skull-like. This is really just going by the shapes and seeing where the drawing might tell us to go, really. Um, and of course, if you like this kind of stuff, please check out my other drawings. I have a lot of different videos posted, primarily charcoal, pastel, and yeah, definitely check it out. All right, so from this point, let's get in, see where we can take this, just almost like this hair feel. Just gonna run wild a little bit. You'd always go back over this, of course. see if these structures can almost merge. Adding that dark underneath, that gives it a cool look. And then let's even extend this out a little bit. Let's make it a little, it's on the creepier side, right? You start seeing some of my stuff, you'll see they're definitely a little creepier. So all right, so yeah, definitely a lot of different things happen here. I'm just gonna go back over some of these lines, really get that separation, and then start seeing if we can work in some of that kind of ghostly feel. All right, so yeah, it's definitely taken an interesting approach. And just continue to start making some darker areas, fading in certain elements, blending to really get that some dark context. All right, so yeah, it's definitely starting to get a little strange, but always just having fun with it. So that's always cool. Down here, I'm just gonna start tweaking this a little bit. This dude. Kind of bird-like creatures here. All right, so okay, yeah, so definitely starting to get some dark in there. I'm gonna even go further on this side. I want to fill in some of that space. Even use your finger, just to kind of smudge that out, blend that in, see where we can go with it. Even in that middle section there, I want to darken that up. All this. sneak ears you can always get into with the very fine, even the white, and just start adding some stuff. All right. So at this point, I'm gonna just let's see if we can kind of switch gears a little bit on this. Come in, got the skull. Add a little bit more down this section. Perhaps let's work in some wings too for this creature. Whatever this creature might be, let's just have these kind of wings coming out. More of that bat-like feel. And this, doesn't have to be symmetrical. It's just really just getting in some weird texture here. Working in some almost feathers. All right. Well, thank you. I think I'll stop at this point, but I appreciate your time. Be sure to pick up and we'll see where we continue with this. Of course, this is Main Art. I invite you to subscribe and thank you.